Quantum activism is the art of transforming the world by first transforming consciousness. Disclaimer: the following content is offered as a perspective on universal laws, not as absolute truth or fixed doctrine. Quantum, global transformation. Quantum physics shows us that global transformation begins with a shift in consciousness. Key quantum truths: reality is energy, not solid matter. Possibilities exist until observed, probability arrow actuality. Consciousness influences outcomes. Everything is connected. Non-locality, entanglement. Observer and observed are one system. Empowered education awakens minds to create, not just consume. Quantum healthcare. Medicine would integrate mind-body awareness, frequency-based healing, and epigenetics. Treatments would consider not just physical symptoms, but energetic patterns and perception. Stress, trauma, and beliefs would be treated as core factors in illness. Health becomes holistic and self-driven, not just pharmaceuticals. Quantum healthcare unites science and spirit, expanding modern medicine with the wisdom of energy. New economic models. If reality is abundant potential, scarcity is just a mental program. Systems could be built on collaboration, shared purpose, and conscious contribution, not extraction. Value would be based on energy exchange, not hoarded wealth. A quantum economy would reward resonance, not hierarchy. New economic models. New economic models value flow over fear, prosperity through collaboration, not control. Global unity, interconnectedness. If all things are entangled, separation, by race, nation, religion, becomes a collective illusion. Conflict would dissolve in the realization that harming another equals harming the whole. Peace wouldn't be just a goal, it would be a natural understanding. Global harmony begins in our shared field. Creative innovation. Invention would be seen as tapping into the quantum field of potential art. Science and spirituality would merge into conscious creation. Technology would become resonant with nature, not extractive or toxic. A renaissance of ideas, fueled by inner alignment. Creative innovation is consciousness in action, turning ideas into living possibilities. Freedom from fear and control. If you believe you're a victim of a fixed world, you can be controlled. But if you realize you are a creator in a dynamic reality, you're free. This would collapse systems built on fear, propaganda, and manipulation. The greatest threat to control systems is a self-aware, empowered population. The empowered creator cannot be controlled. Final thought. If the world truly understood quantum mechanics, we wouldn't just build better technology. We'd build a better humanity. Not by force, but by awakening. That's the hidden revolution. Awakened awareness that transcends limitations of the ordinary ego and self-concept, leading to a deeper understanding of reality, empathy, and universal connection. It involves a shift from self-centered concerns to a broader perspective, characterized by inner peace, universal love, impartiality, and a profound sense of oneness with all beings and the universe. Thank you for joining in. Subscribe to keep up to date with more content like this. Quantum global transformation. To help people wake up, align within, and act consciously. Transforming fear into freedom, division into harmony, and knowledge into lived wisdom. Because when awareness becomes action, quantum activism begins, and the world changes from within. Bye for now. See you in the next video.